This video will be a review of the Woqed USB Studio Microphone with adjustable arm. Okay, so I recently picked this up and we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of it. Let's see what we got in here in the box. Of course, got the little owner's manual, some tips and tricks on how to hook it up. Got a filter, a pop filter, made out of metal, feels pretty sturdy. A windsock for the microphone. Here, got the cable, USB cable. Plug into the microphone, clamp it down onto the desktop. The arm arm's made out of metal, and actually has pretty good spring action to it. There's the shock mount for the microphone. It's actually a metal shock mount. It's pretty solid. It feels pretty nice. The other ones I've seen have been plastic. And of course the microphone itself. Interesting. Usually there's a logo on the front of it so you know which end to speak into. This one does not have one, so I'm guessing that there's a microphone facing both directions there. Go ahead and attach that to the desk here. The threads on the clamp don't feel too good. Feels like it's cutting new ones or stripping it. Well, that's not good at all. So we can run it up and down. There we go. A lot of dust coming out of there. Looks like it's just from the threads being cut. Run it up and down a couple times. Okay, so that feels okay now. Okay, so I'm going to mount this on the side of the desk right here. Okay, drop that in there. Okay, so next we're going to hook it up to the laptop. Get all that out of the way and bring a laptop over. and plug in the USB. And wait for it to set up the drivers. Okay, so now it's ready. Okay, so we're going to go into the settings and set up the microphone. Looks like the computer has actually already chose it. Yep. So if your computer has not chosen it yet, you can go into your settings like I just did and then select the correct microphone. This is the YX1. And then check the audio on it. And I'm going to go in here to Audition. And now I am speaking to you through the microphone. Looks like it's got really cool wavelengths. I don't know what to tell you. I probably have it a little bit too loud, so I'm going to go in here and adjust it down just a little bit. So go back to the settings. And yeah, you can see right here that it's too far up. So go in here. And yeah, it's at 99. Let me bring that down some. And let's see where that is at now. Check, testing. That's significantly lower. That might be too low. Let's see what we got here. Yep, way too low. Try this one more time. Typically when you're recording, you want it to be right in this area right here, and you can see it's too low. So I'm going to go back into the settings and turn it up, kind of go somewhere in the middle of where I was at. 92. Let's try that. And let's see how that does. That looks quite a bit better. Okay, so I have gone in and adjusted the sound settings, the microphone settings, and this is the microphone with both of the filters on. Right here. And now I'm going to remove the foam filter. And this is what it sounds like without the foam filter, but with the screen. And now I'm going to remove the screen, and you'll see how it sounds without the screen. There we go. And that's without the screen. And I just noticed that I probably wasn't speaking into it directly, so I'm going to do both of those again. So first of all, I'm going to do it with just the foam filter, and there we go with just the foam filter. And then I'm going to take the foam filter off. And now I'm speaking to you through the screen. And next I will take the screen off. No. And next I will add the foam filter and the screen. There we go, like so. And now I'm speaking to you through both of them. I will then play it back and let you know what I think about it. Overall, the sound quality sounds good. It's super easy to set up. The spring in the arm works pretty well. So this is a keeper. I like the microphone. It's very good quality for the price, and the sound is excellent as well. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.